we're going to make the last block, block number 6. We'll start with a chain of 30 as we've done for the other blocks. 30 chains done, half double crochet into the second chain from hook, half double crochet into the next chain, and each chain across the row. All done, chain 1 and turn. Okay, into the first stitch, half double crochet, and into the next stitch, half double crochet. So we want to make one solid block, and we will add the other pieces on it. So let's repeat half double crochet stitches up to row 20. Okay, so after you finish half double crochet stitches, chain 1, turn, make another row of half double crochet stitches, and we'll repeat that until we have 20 rows of half double crochet stitches. So I'm going to see you at the end of the 20th row. Okay, the body is completed. The block, I mean, is completed. Now we want to do the edging. Alright, and just like we've done for all the other blocks, we'll start with the chain 1 and single crochet into the first stitch row, and the next 19 stitch rows. So that's 20 single crochet stitches across. Chain 1, single crochet into 29 stitches, chain 1, single crochet into the last 20 stitch rows, chain 1, and join to the first stitch. So let's do this, and I will see you at the end. All done. Let's chain 1 and join to the first stitch. Okay, now I want to make the panels, the rope panel. I will start with a chain of 17, a little bit of tail. So we're going to chain 17, and start to make our half double crochet stitches. Okay, so half double crochet into second chain from hook, and across, chain 1 and turn, half double crochet into the first stitch and into each stitch across the row. After that, chain 1 again and half double crochet across the row. So we're going to do 6 rows of half double crochet stitches. So we've done 1 and we're on the second row. We'll do 4 more rows after the second row. So I'm going to see you at the end of row 6 of this panel. Okay, this is 6 rows, 2, 4, 6, chain 1, row 7, single crochet into the first stitch. Now we're going to be making 2 of this. So this one right now is for the first panel. Chain 2, skip the next stitch, single crochet in 2 stitches, chain 2, skip the next stitch, single crochet in next 2 stitches, chain 2, skip the next stitch, single crochet in 2 stitches, chain 2, skip, single crochet in 2 stitches, chain 2, skip, single crochet in next 2 stitches. Alright, so we just completed row 7. Now last row, chain 1, turn, row 8, single crochet into first stitch and the next stitch, single crochet into the chain 2 space, single crochet in next 2 stitches, single crochet in chain 2 space. Okay, we want to repeat this across the row. All done. So now let's make a second panel. However, we will make row 7 a little differently, but first let's make 6 rows of half double crochet stitches, and then I'll see you on row 6 where we will make row 7 together. Okay, this is row 6 on the second panel. Remember, we completed one before. So the difference here, just a slight difference on row 7. So chain 1 and turn. Row 7, single crochet into the first stitch and the next stitch. On the previous panel, we made our single crochet into the first stitch only, and then we chained 2. But on the second panel, we're going to make single crochet into the first stitch and the second stitch. Now we will chain 2, skip the next stitch, and single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Chain 2, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Chain 2, skip, single crochet, chain 2, skip, single crochet, chain 2, skip, and we will finish with single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1, turn, single crochet into the first stitch, into the chain 2 space, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, into the chain 2 space. So we'll do single crochet into each of the stitches across the row. Alright, so once we finish that, I'm just going to show you how I'm weaving this tail in on the block. So I'll go through the back panel and I will pass it through. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to weave it in, because this right side of single crochets is we're going to be joining the panel on here, okay, from the wrong side of the single crochet stitches. So I've passed it through. I'm just going to take it down and weave it in. Okay, and I'll snip this off. So now that we have this, what you want to do now, this is the right side, okay, this very last row of single crochet stitches, this will be here like this, and this will be here like this, okay? So we want them to be facing each other, and we will join with this, sew it down, and come back up. Alright? So let's leave about half an inch gap between these two, and sew the second panel on there. So while we started from here for the first one, sorry, we started from here for the first one, and now we're going to start from here for the second panel. I'm going to leave that gap. So once I finish with the lacing this part, I'm going to sew the zip down here. What you can do if you don't want this to shift is you can hold it down with some pins so that it will be easier for you as you sew the zip on. I'm using a darning needle also, it's just a thin one. So towards the end part, I do not want to snip this yarn. I just want to continue working with it on the other side. I will punch it in here. And I will take it to the other side from the back. Make sure that this is stretched enough. Okay, and now I'm going to continue sewing. If you're wanting these lines to align, you want to consider where you pass your yarn in through, but otherwise it's not necessary to have that alignment, as long as we're sewing it gradually. I'm going to finish this. This is the last part. Okay, all done. now I'm going to take this back. I'm going to tuck it in. Okay, once I do that, I'll pass it to the other side. Okay, I'm going to pass it to the other side. Okay. You want to also pull your yarn, pull this yarn, the yarn that leads to the ball, not the one on the needle, and pull it just to make sure that it's stitched tightly. And I want to finish up on this point here, so it holds down well. Go again. Alright, there we are. Now I'm going to join these two. I'll do it one more time. There we go. And I will weave in the tails and snip the yarn.